Sadia, so good to see you.
Same here.
Tell us how's your journey so far?
Well, my journey started in 2017 when I came to Bombay, and first 2 years was all about Chikara. Like I was preparing for the film, and so they were really, really magical without any stress, without any negative thought, or I was just exploring and loving my character, and so I was very, very new. I knew nothing about the industry and about how films are made. So those two first year were like amazing. Like I can't even explain in words how good they were to me. And now I have finally, after film's release, started exploring, started meeting people. Like for 2 years, I was not even allowed to meet people from outside. I couldn't even meet people who were, my friends living in Bombay. Itna zyada tight pack. But after film released, and now I have got a lot of time to meet people, to understand the world. So it's a mix of feelings.
Little in detail, as you said, somebody, for example, wanted to do something big in Bollywood. They randomly, no one comes to Mumbai and says, "Ki boss, Vidhu Vinod Chopra, please sign me." How it happened, the process, how you came on board?
I have explained this story a lot of times. If you know, I was studying electrical engineering back in Jammu, and randomly I got a call from a casting director, Indu Sharma. She said there is this film she wants to test me for, and I was like, I've never been to Bombay, I've never auditioned for a film. I literally had no clue why would randomly somebody from Bombay call me, and but she had gotten my there's another story behind it. I'll cut it short. So she came to Jammu, and she along with Adil Khan, she came there and she tested me for this part, and then she made VC with Vinod Chopra speak to my father on a FaceTime call. Then I came to Bombay on 31st of July, and I just got this part, and since then I'm here.
Shikara was appreciated by everybody, especially your part and the male leading cast was appreciated. The work done by you is appreciated by everyone. How do you what's your view on this compliment when you're getting, and that too with the very first film?
Of course it feels great, and I didn't expect this, because I was like, because it's my first film and I didn't know how I was doing. I thoroughly believed in my directors and my writers' vision and the people who were at the set. So they, throughout 2 years, kept telling me I was doing good, and I believed that I was doing good. And I knew that I have more in me to offer, and I have more. I know in my heart that I can do, much better than this. But having heard, and that was really for me the best compliment, that it doesn't look like your first film. So it was great. I mean, it's the best thing a debutant can hear for their performance, yeah.
Do you think, Sadia, the sense of responsibility goes up when you start getting this type of compliment, and that too?
Yes. You have to be very choosy. Like if today a script comes to me or a film comes to me, I have to think 10 times more, because I can't just do anything. Like I remember there was this film that came my way, and I was like whether I should do it or not do it during this lockdown. And I was told by my very close people, that even from my director, that you know what, you will be remembered from your last film. So whatever you choose, whatever next you are going to choose, be wise. Because nobody would remember that, okay, Shikara mein she did well, now second film, it went, all bad. So whatever you choose for your next, it has to be better than either before or similar, because people will remember you from the last thing that you've done. And that's why I'm like so choosy that I can't do anything right now. And I have to be very, very focused. I would rather wait than doing anything that spoils my first film's reputation, yeah.
Okay. Is the offer pouring in?
Honestly, some are, and some I'm auditioning for, some are working, some are not working. But again, I am, touch wood, I was not expecting offers to come, because it didn't commercially did well. But still I got, and I feel grateful about that. At the same time, I'm like, it's mixed. Like if 10 things are coming my way, 10 things I'm auditioning, 10 things I'm rejecting, 10 people are rejecting me. It's balanced. But still I'm hoping something that, more great comes. Yeah.
How COVID had affected you professionally?
It did. It really did. If COVID hadn't happened, I think 10 महीने, I think 11 महीने तो COVID में चले गए. बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर लिया होता है कुछ तो, but COVID की वजह से अरे majorly it affected. Not just me, everybody it affected. सारा industry रुक गया, काम रुक गया, और उसकी वजह से, of course.
सर, ये क्या, जैसे आपने कहा, किसी आपके दोस्त ने बताया कि बड़ी समझदारी से चुनना है कि अब आगे क्या करना है. जो आपने किरदार निभाया, सबकी जुबान पे जितनी सादगी से निभाया, और ये भी कहा जाता है कि कोई नहीं कह सकता कि इस लड़की की ये पहली फिल्म. क्या उसी, और फिर टाइपकास्ट भी होना बड़ा लाजमी सा है इंडस्ट्री में, आपको उसी तरह के किरदार भी ऑफर करे जाते हैं, तो क्या उस इमेज को तोड़ने की कोशिश करी जाएगी नेक्स्ट जो भी आप करें?
नहीं, इमेज को तोड़ने की कोशिश नहीं करी जाएगी। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अब जो भी करूँगी, मैं स्क्रीन पे ऐसी ही आ जाऊँगी कि लोग मानेंगे कि ये यही है। जैसा मेरा शांति के साथ हुआ, जब लोगों ने शिकारा देखी तो लोगों को मुझे किसी और अवतार में इमेजिन करना ही पॉसिबल नहीं है। लाइक व्हेन आई मीट पीपल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, दे ऑफन टेल मी, ओ माय गॉड, यू लुक सो डिफरेंट देन हाउ यू हैव लुक्ड ऑन स्क्रीन, लाइक एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू सेड. So I'm like, even if whatever the next time I'm going to do, people are going to be like, okay, this is that person only.
Are you saying that people will more relate to the character than
Yeah,
Sadia?
because I think that's an actor's job. I mean, जहाँ तक मुझे समझ में आया, I'm just one film old and I don't know much about acting and stuff, but जितना मुझे मालूम है यही है कि people should see the character on screen rather than the person. People shouldn't be like, oh, this is a so and so star on screen. People should see that this is the character that they've come for. So I think if that happens, your job is done. As an actor, if people see the character on screen rather than the actor, then I think as an actor your job's done. Yeah.
It means, Sadia, is there a possibility you'll be exploring yourself in terms of when you talk about the modern look of yours?
It totally depends on the character. If I get a good character to play, if I get to do good performance, so I will try my best, touch wood, that people forget who Sadia is, who Shanti is, who whatever character I'll be playing. I just want to emerge into the person that I'll be offered to, and I will forget. And that's what I did for Shanti. I forgot who I was. I forgot if I was, a 19-year-old girl or whatever. I was an old woman when I was an old woman. I was actually having joint pain throughout shooting that. So, if tomorrow I get something great to play, even if it is completely different, which Shanti was also completely different than me, I will just try my best to become that person.
Okay, what's there in pipeline? I know it's too early to talk about, but still want to know. As you said, there are offer pouring in, there are offer coming in.
There's one thing that I am doing. Actually, there are two things which this year I'd be doing. I'm not allowed to speak about it yet, but whenever they'll allow me and whenever they can speak about it, I will definitely let you guys know.
Is it the OTT platform project?
Theatrical, yeah.
Theatrical. Okay, any actor you love to work with?
So many. And number one would be Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan. I love Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, I am a big fan. I wish if I could work with him. But is it too soon to say that?
Given a choice between Ranbir Kapoor and Ranveer Singh, who do you want to work with?
Oh my god, that's something. I don't know. I think Ranbir Kapoor.
Any director in the industry? A female director from the industry you want to work with?
I would love to work with what's her name?
Zoya.
Zoya Akhtar, Gauri Shinde, and then there is
Farah?
No, Farah Khan, of course, the one who made Razi, Meghna Gulzar. My god, there's so many, yeah.
Tell us what would be your preparation in terms of how to sustain in the industry, to be there in the industry. What would be your preparation?
As of now, it is that, just be wise with whatever you choose. I'm an outsider. I have to be very wise. If I do one wrong project, then I'm out. It doesn't work like that. I will not be given more opportunities and options to do. So I have to be really wise with whatever I do next. Even if it is a small, maybe an ad or whatever assignment. So till now, I'm just being wise and surviving on as much as I can survive. But once if I am like, okay, now I have to do anything, like I'm giving myself that much of space and time. Explore what you want to exactly do.
You mentioned the word called, outsider. Do you think nepotism exists?
That's a very irritating question, to be very honest, because of course it exists. I don't know, I've not faced it yet, I guess. But it I think totally depends on your luck. I think talent speaks. कितनी देर तक आप किसी भी talent को कम कर सकते हो? आपका लॉस होगा, क्योंकि टैलेंट अपनी ज़ुबान खुद बोलता है, अपना काम आपकी ज़ुबान खुद बोलता है. आप अगर अच्छा काम करेंगे, like I've seen so many interviews of Anushka Sharma and I see interviews of Kangana Ranaut, from diversity of people who came from outside, from Shah Rukh Khan. And only thing that I realize when I see these people talking about their journey is, if you're talented, if you keep, if you keep thriving, if you keep working hard, there is no way you will not do it.
Whom do you see as an idol of yours, the current chunk of female actors from the industry?
Idol?
You inspire by them.
I think Natalie Portman, Meryl Streep, and from our industry, I was a big fan of Sridevi. and Madhubala. I was really like, oh my god, I really loved her. Yeah.
I'm done.
Thank you.